morning, good afternoon. A warm welcome to all our attendees today from across the globe. Thank you all for joining us today for this webinar on failure-proof test automation of mobile apps. This webinar is hosted by Impetus Technologies, and we are excited to have you with us for the next 30 minutes. We hope to have a fruitful and engaging interaction today as we discuss how test automation of data-centric consumer and enterprise applications can help reduce the cost and time involved in application testing. I am Garima Arora from the Impetus marketing team, and I will serve as the facilitator for this session. Joining me is Amitabh Srivastava, Senior Solutions Architect, Mobile and Wireless at Impetus. Amitabh has numerous award-winning mobile applications to his name. So moving on to what today's session is going to cover, the global mobile applications market is growing at a CAGR of 64% and is expected to reach $24.4 billion by 2015. With more than 5 billion active mobile connections globally right now, this figure is only expected to increase. The complexity of mobile applications is growing along with the device capabilities. Test engineers have to address multiple challenges while testing data-centric mobile applications. These include diversity in device features, platforms, and technologies. The test engineers have to deal with enormous number of case study test cases while simultaneously dealing with tight deadlines. They also have to deal with technical challenges such as API-level test execution and verification of UI control. In our session today, we will discuss how testing automation can help effectively address all these issues. We will also cover the various types and approaches of test automation, how it works, and its benefits and constraints. We will also share with you our failure-proof approach to mobile application testing automation, along with some real-world examples. I would now like to invite Amitabh to take over the presentation. Amitabh is heading the mobile R&D initiative at Impetus and has shared his experience and expertise in numerous forums and events. Over to you, Amitabh.
Thanks, Garima, and a big hello to our audience. Thank you for taking time out to attend this session on testing automation of mobile applications. Now, before I start with my presentation, let me share an anecdote with you all. It was in early 2004 when I was working on a mobile healthcare product for a US-based healthcare company. All through the different phases of the development lifecycle of the product, there were people in the company who were testing the app on their Singular, which is now AT&T devices, and everything was working fine for them. Then they made a soft launch of the product, and the same was accessible through their website. However, we immediately started getting complaints from some of the alpha users sharing that the apps were not able to connect to the server on any other network except Singular. So it works if they use a Singular SIM card, but it was failing if they are using T-Mobile or they were coming to Verizon. At that time, we did not have an option to actually run the app on various devices of different operators and run some kind of automation testing to identify these issues remotely and fix them. So I had to fly down to US, perform some manual testing, debugging on the different devices in the different networks, just to find that there are some very minor issues with change of some special characters in the network communication when the data was passing through the WAP gateways of the different mobile operators. From that day, I started thinking on the lines of automated testing framework for mobile apps that would enable us to carry out this type of testing on devices connected over the air in some target operator network remotely so that we can debug the apps. Let us now share with you some of the generic challenges that we see when we try to achieve such kind of mobile testing. There are overwhelming number of handsets available in the market today, ranging from your basic phones to feature-rich smartphones and tablets like iPad and others. The basic challenge that the test engineer encounters is due to the diversity of the devices and the platforms. Each mobile handset has a different hardware configuration, display size, color depth, memory, computing power, and different hardware capabilities. This makes it imperative to run manual tests on all configurations, thereby making it a very time-consuming task. With the growth of hardware capabilities of the mobile handsets and the network speed, highly complex mobile applications are being developed nowadays, which require a very thorough and intense testing. Then again, most of the mobile platforms lack the basic functionality and the interface that allowed automated UI testing in the desktop world. So all the currently available desktop automation tools are rendered useless if we try to use them for the mobile apps. Client-server applications written for mobile devices depend upon the network and behave differently in different types of carrier networks. So there is a definitive need to remotely test these apps in the actual target networks. The product owners are mostly rushing for getting their product launched the moment they get an idea, thinking that it's a mobile application, it's something small and it can be developed quickly. Consequently, they force their engineers to reduce the time to market by adopting accelerated software development schedule, leaving no room for any testing, which often results in suboptimal testing and lower quality of deliverables.
Amitabh, won't there be any serious repercussions of such practices?
Yeah, indeed there will be. But it appears that we like to relearn the basics of good software engineering again at a huge cost every time there is a paradigm shift. Let's move to the next slide, which is about the technical challenges. As the complexity of the application is growing with the device capabilities, we see more and more number of test cases coming in the scope of testing the application of mobile handsets, which makes the manual testing of the application on different devices very time-consuming and repetitive task. Various API-level test cases are defined that needs to be tested using unit testing, which in turn requires automation. But due to lack of reflection capabilities on most of the mobile device platforms, unit testing automation is not possible, and we need the developers or the white box testers to write large number of test scripts that again takes time. Application interface of the same product often contains differences when implemented by different developers on different platforms depending upon the target OS. As we try to follow the UI guidelines of different platforms, it ends up having certain differences for the same app on different platforms, which confuses the test engineers further when they are verifying the same test case on different devices. There are a number of non-standard APIs and proprietary solutions such as playing sound, access to external port, or current displayable on different platforms that needed to be taken care of when testing. At times, these even require a special set of tools for testing as well. And on this note, I would like to ask the audience, what is the biggest challenge that they encounter while testing their mobile apps?
Our audience can now see the poll questions running on the screen. We want to know the major issues that you face while mobile application testing. Your options are diversity in technology or platforms, career-related issues, large number of test cases, technical issues, or all of the above. You have a total of 30 seconds to respond. We have collected the responses, Amitabh, and apparently our audience think that the biggest challenge that they encounter is the large number of test cases that they have to deal with despite tight deadlines. What's your take on this?
I think it's a similar problem that everybody is facing in the industry. Nowadays, as the mobile handsets are becoming more powerful day by day, the applications which are coming to the mobile devices are more complex and they require large number of test cases to be executed, which is a big problem to do on a mobile device manually, and hence most of the people are trying some kind of automation to achieve this in a better way. So let's move to our next slide where I'll talk about the testing automation itself. This is the time of smartphones and tablets. Mobile phones has come a long way from the days of your basic handsets and so have the corresponding ecosystem. These ecosystems are evolving mostly in the same manner as that of the desktop world. As a result, testing these products is now no longer a simple process and requires require some solid procedures with emphasis on automation in both UI and unit testing to assess and evaluate the products. Thus, I can say that testing automation of mobile application is the real solution and need of the hour to maintain the quality of the deliverables of mobile application with ever-growing complexities. Testing automation is defined as the use of strategies, tools and artifacts that reduce the need of human involvement on repetitive testing tasks. It should support unit testing automation, UI testing automation and functional testing automation. But will manual testing be become redundant? No, it will not be removed 100%. We will still require some amount of manual testing. And as we move to our next slide, we get to know that when we require manual testing and where we can automate much.